In this video, I will show you how to create Gmail shortcut in Windows 11. Now copy this Gmail address. Now right click on desktop, new, click on shortcut. Now paste that address, then next. Now type your shortcut name, then click on finish. Now show list of icons, and here you will see the Gmail. Just click on it. So this is the way you can create shortcut for Gmail. Thanks for watching. And guys, if you want to change icon for Gmail, right click on it and properties. Change icon and browse and find out here Gmail icon. Not have, so search Gmail icon. Now open any Gmail icon. You can use this icon as a personal use. And save it. Also, you can search from this list. Now here search PNG to icon. Press enter. Now select your PNG. Now select your desired size. And click on Save as Preset. Then click on OK. So this is the way, guys, we can we can create shortcut for Gmail. Thanks for watching.